Bose SoundSport. Bose SoundSport free true wireless earbuds are the perfect choice for athletes and active music lovers. With no wires to get in your way, you can move freely during workouts and sports activities. The acoustic package is designed to deliver a powerful and crisp sound, motivating you to push yourself to the limit. Bluetooth technology ensures that your music plays reliably and consistently, while the Stay Here Plus Sport tips are designed to stay comfortably in place. So you have one less thing to worry about during your workout. And if you do misplace one of the earbuds, you can use the Bose Connect app's Find My Buds feature to locate them. The earbuds are also water repellent, so you don't have to worry about sweat or weather conditions affecting them. With up to 5 hours of playtime from a single charge, and an additional 10 hours from the charging case, you can enjoy your music for longer. The charging case is designed with built-in magnets to keep the earbuds secure when not in use. You can also access your phone's Siri or Google Assistant, and take phone calls with the right earbud. Bose SoundSport free true wireless earbuds are the ideal choice for staying connected and motivated during your workouts and sports activities. We hope you found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more cool reviews. Thank you for watching.